What's going on, guys? Here Sunday we're gonna be doing a cruise, just us and the boys here, small group, but we got our buddy Gio right there. He brought his friend Terry. He's gonna do some roller shots for us, so I'm sure those are gonna come out awesome. He's been known to do some really good shots, so we're gonna head up north towards Nago and see what we get into. Actually, we're gonna go hit up a castle that our buddy John knows about, so we're gonna go do that, do some sightseeing, so stick around for that. All right, so buddy Donovan's car over here. Check this thing out.
That's another reason a lot of people upgrade is because it's all plastic. It's gonna happen. Like hardly shit comes out.
Mine has baffles too, because I don't see what you got.
RB26 forged pistons, 980cc injectors, 525 liter per hour fuel pump, Greddy radiator, GK Tech fan, Greddy T78 33D turbo.
And that's a big boy. Dude, that thing is nice. You just picked that up, right?
Just got that installed this past week. Running Haltech Platinum ECU, Haltech wideband, Haltech 4-bar map sensor in the back corner over there. 57 18 by 9.5 wheels. And then my water bottle, my Aquafina catch can back there.
Yes. Hey, whatever works, right?
Right, it catches it.
Hey,
That's the important thing.
looking good though, man. Love it. Polished valve covers. Loving the new wheels though.
Oh, dude.
They look sweet.
Dude, love them.
Got the Z LEDs.
Yeah.
The new Z LEDs looking nice.
Get those reverse lights in there too.
Yeah. Definitely looking sick. guys, so if you made it this far in the video, I just want to say thank you. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more Japanese content out here in Okinawa. But we're gonna be headed to the beach. Decided not to go to the castle today, just hit what we can hit, which is the beach. So appreciate you guys, thanks for the support again, and check you guys later.